I am Jean-Luc Romero-Michel, President of ADMD France, Regional MP of Île-de-France Region and Deputy Mayor of Paris 12. I was early involved in the fight for Why to Die because a lot of my friends died in terrible conditions because of AIDS, and I'm living with AIDS for 31 years. Our association, ADMD France, is close to 70,000 members in 120 delegations covering all the country. A board counting 14 members, around 30 national delegates, and a staff of 9 people. Over the last 10 years, we have noted the growing involvement of the younger generations, thanks mainly to the creation of ADMD Jeunes, ADMD Youth, by the late Secretary General of the Association, Christophe Michel Romero. Christophe initiated the ADMD Tour, which I will talk about later. We have 2 counseling services referred to as ADMD Écoute, and finally a national register for advanced directives. After this introduction, let me tell you first the position of France, my country, about the issue of end of life, and then our strategy to obtain a law of ultimate liberty. First, position of France as regards end of life. First, the public opinion surveys in France over the last 20 years, up to still the most recent surveys show that 9 French people out of 10 are in favor of euthanasia and suicide or assisted suicide. Legal aspect in France now. There have been 3 successive laws in France over the last 11 years. 2005, 2010, 2016. They were drawn up by the same member of parliament, a conservative who is totally opposed to legalizing euthanasia and assisted suicide. Currently, the law allows terminal sedation and acknowledges advanced directives or living wills. However, power still rests with physicians. According to the 2016 law, terminal sedation is limited to end-of-life cases and is diversely applied depending on the treating medical staff. Present politic situation now. The new president of France, Emmanuel Macron, who was elected in 2017, has made no commitment on the issue of end of life, but he did say that he would like to be able to make the decision on his own end of life. For the first time ever, this president organized recently a dinner on the topic of end of life at the presidential residence. Guests were about a dozen people, among whom the president of ADMD, who had the opportunity to discuss the issue. Unfortunately, the French president is favorably inclined towards religion, which is not an asset for us. The National Assembly, elected in June 2017, is more supportive than it has ever been. No doubt, the majority of members are in favor of the right to die in dignity. 3 draft laws have already been put forward, one of which by the group supporting the current President Emmanuel Macron. The Economic, Social and Environmental Council, 3rd chamber of the French Republic, expressed itself in favor of euthanasia in last April. Finally, the Citizens Committee, formed in the context of the laws on bioethics, expressed itself on euthanasia in May this year. 2/3 of the members were in favor of this measure. In the other side, in the opposition, are the position held by the Minister of Health and the High Authority on Health, who encounter the opinion of 90% of the population. Also, a few cases highlighted in the press stand as evidence of the failure of the three Leonetti laws we have those years. So, what is our strategy to be on the field in the political arena, the media, and in social networks? Our strategy is simple: meetings with the relevant national bodies, with MPs. Our 120 delegates all over the country are requested to meet with the government representative in the various regions. We call on our members to write to MPs and attend meetings to meet party officials. A media kit has been prepared to this effect. We hold large meetings in all the regions, which MPs from all over the country are invited. In October, next October, our members are going to vote for a Right to Die bill we are going to promote and introduce to the MPs. We take the opportunity of invitation for the many associations and political groups to present our position, because there is a huge debate in France, in the country, and in the media. In April, a wide, large campaign was launched, leafleting distribution of flyers on French marketplaces. At the media level, in April issue of my latest book, Open Letter to Brigitte Macron, and participation in the very high audience TV talk show, On n'est pas couché, a one-page interview in the daily most important newspaper, Le Monde, and a lot of media and a lot of dedication around the country. Press releases are sent almost weekly. The fourth ADMD tour, organized in July 2018, was the opportunity for regional press coverage daily at a time of the year when delegations do not hold meetings. Created by Christophe Michel Romero, this ADMD tour is organized by the young ADMD, by people from 20 to 30 years, and they did this tour during 1 month in July. On the World Day, November 2nd, we will be organizing 100 events in France. At the level of social networks, ADMD has a strong presence on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All our delegation, 120, have an account on Twitter. Daily, we post testimonies, for instance. The action of our young ADMD section, addressing specifically young and active members, is widely developed on the social networks, with notably many video clips. Finally, a newsletter is sent every week. In conclusion, what can we expect in France over this year and next year? Those 2 years will be very crucial for us. Members of parliament are in favor of this law, and they have a window of opportunity between October this year and next March, because we don't have elections. After, it will be more complicated. However, our opponents are mobilized: the church, the huge group opposed to same-sex marriage, refers to Manif pour tous, and a lot of important physicians are against our demand. ADMD is implementing always and means to reach our goal, which is that of ultimate freedom. Today, it can be achieved. Thank you for your listening, and sorry for my terrible French accent and my poor English. Thank you.